What it do, man? You know what I'm saying? It's a... Babe, what day of the week it is? It's Tuesday. You know what I'm saying? We chilling. But I'm out of stock on my YouTube videos, so I need to catch up if I'm still do one once a week. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do some recording today because I got a few songs backed up that I could record. So it's gonna be like a studio vlog type shit, you know. But it depends on what all I do today and how long I record. So far, this is take one. Texas, Boogie might do a little flexing. One shorty already I'm picking. Ain't telling how many I'm texting. Close one book trying to figure what the next is. She lives trying to figure who the next is. Just about a lot less when the check clears. Tell them Sensei they ask you who the best is. I just be chilling, I ain't drawing the music that I have on my job was a really good tape. Okay! Oh, fuck, I wasn't supposed to delete that shit. I'm spinning this bitch. It is currently 11:37. It is currently 1:14. As you can see, we still in here. We just doing like soft masters on all this shit. It's 2:20 almost. It's 2:20 exactly, you know. This is harder than it looks to stop. That's it. It's all I can. Yes, alright, so it's 12:40. I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I did 7 songs today. 8, 9, 9 songs. Guys, it's not bad. 8, 9, almost 10 songs. That ain't bad. I ain't gonna lie. I'm pretty proud of that. So, it's a whole fucking tape in a day. Like, I can damn sure clock out on that.